Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a sway Charlie Brown. It's a really good idea to have already been able to do a Charlie Brown, which is from a first move. I'll put a link to that in the description below in case you want to go back and check it out and make it easy for you to find. But without further ado, the sway Charlie Brown looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. It starts off right to right. We go back. Obviously knowing how to do a sway would be useful too. We wrap into a sway. We're going to pick up the spare hand. We're going to sway the lady back, but we're actually going to do it in a slightly different manner to usual. So when we sway back, we're all going back on the right, but we're going to generate some lean in the body. Try and take as much weight off the front foot as possible, and we're trying to get the angles of our torsos to match, and we're trying to lock them together a little bit. Now we're going to do the Charlie Brown set, so we're going to go 1 set, 2 sets, different ending to a normal Charlie Brown. We're going to do the kind of double slow step at the end, so we're going to go big step at the end, another big step to follow, and then it's out and face, return and back. So the feeling is going to be quick, 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 slow, slow, and then you're back to normal. So let's go from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back. 1, wrap. 2, we do our preparation. 3, we do a set of Charlie Brown. 4 and 5, slow 1, 6, back on 7, away 8, look 1, return 2 and back 3. So let's try it together. Here we go. Man's right, lady's right. Sway Charlie Brown. 5, 6, a sway Charlie Brown. We go a back, wrap, prep, Charlie, Charlie, forwards, back, away, look, return and back. That is the whole thing. Hope you find that fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you. And the notification bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation comes up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video of a tune that would be nice to do this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.